बांग्लादेश का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? लाइक आई स्टार्टेड प्रॉपरली वॉचिंग क्रिकेट फ्रॉम 99 और 2000s। 20-25 साल मैंने उन्हें, मुझे एक एशिया कप याद है फाइनल, एक चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी सेमीफाइनल और एक अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप। दैट्स इट, दैट्स द पोर्टफोलियो दे हैव। व्हाई डू वी स्टिक टू देम कि यार अरे नहीं ये सरप्राइज ला सकते हैं, ये कुछ कर सकते हैं? दे डोंट डू एनीथिंग। आज भी जो उन्होंने करा, दैट इज नॉट समथिंग व्हिच यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अ साइड व्हिच इज दैट एक्सपीरियंस।
तो क्या कहते हैं, चौड़ में जल्दी आ जाते हैं वो, you know. It's that's their problem. Their
Yeah.
problem is that they're all very talented,
Hmm.
but they have overinflated perception about themselves, and this lets them down. And sometimes rub of the green also doesn't go their way. My
Hmm.
point is that this game respects humility. This
Yeah.
game also respects respect. आप अफगानिस्तान को देखिए ना, they're fiercely competitive, but they're not disrespectful to their
Yes.
opponents.
Yeah.
Bangladesh has this attitude of being disrespectful in their over exuberance.
Hmm.
और उसमें क्या होता है कि you don't poke a bear. See, be it MS Dhoni or Travis Head or an Aiden Markham or anybody else, you know, they are all players with pedigree. They may
Hmm.
be down and out, and they are looking for a trigger to push them. अब अभी विराट कोहली डक आउट हो गया, तो अगर अगला मैच बांग्लादेश के साथ है और बांग्लादेश वो जाके वो वहां पर मुस्तफ फिज जाके उसको उंगली करेगा, आपको लगता है विराट कोहली डक पे आउट होने वाला है? वो बोलेगा मैं मर जाऊंगा लेकिन 50 बना के जाऊंगा.
Hmm.
You know, that's the attitude of some of the top teams, and
Yeah.
that's where Bangladesh fell. The other thing I feel that Bangladesh got overconfident.
Hmm.
They got out to some great deliveries and some good bowling and resilience by the Afghans,
Yeah.
but they themselves got complete. अरे 115 15 ओवर में हम
Hmm.
लोग निपटा जाते हैं. देखो, see, this
Yeah.
would have been the thought process in the dressing room, and it was the attitude that was on display.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so that makes a difference. Confidence is different. You know, having an overestimation of yourself is different. So they've not been able to bridge that fine line as far as
Hmm.
Bangladesh is concerned, and that's where I feel is a problem. The other thing I
Yeah.
want to ask you guys is the timing of the match. Now this match is going to be played in Taruba late in the
Hmm.
evening local time. So then for them, is there a pattern where the team that bowls second or bats first, the team that bats first, has the advantage when they are defending the score? And how much of that is going to make a difference? Yeah,
Sahil,
like
you
in,
can take that.
Yeah, I think batting first or bowling first hasn't been a major difference, Anand, in this tournament, primarily because Dew has played a very negligible role. So
oh,
it's just
I'm
about
talking in
how.
West Indies. I'm talking in the West Indies.
Yeah. I'm talking about.
Yeah, not the
I'm
US. US तो भाई बकवास pitches थी,
Yeah.
तो
Even
chance
West
नहीं.
Indies, if you see, the I think more than the dew and the pitch, it's the wind which is playing a major role. The crosswinds have been very, very intense, and the teams which have kind of mastered those conditions well. Like if you look at the game yesterday, India and Australia, जो अक्षर पटेल वाला catch था, वो it was so windy, it was so difficult to get hold of that catch, and that is probably where the batters are kind of taking the bait because they लगता है कि यार ये हवा के साथ ट्रैवल कर जाएगा. विराट कोहली वाला जो शॉट था, it
Hmm.
sounded good, but it was into the wind, it was against the wind, so it didn't travel much. So I think more than the conditions, more than the dew, it's about mastering the wind because it has been very, very windy. I spoke to people who are covering the game in West Indies, and they're like it's bloody windy there. It's not even like कि ये टहलती हुई शाम की मस्तानी हवा चल रही है, मतलब प्रॉपर हवा चल रही है in excess of 25-30 kilometers per hour. So taking all those things into account, I kind of have that dirty feeling that Afghanistan will pull a trick from their hat, which we haven't seen in the tournament so far.
Yeah.
I kind of have that dirty feeling. As much as we like South Africa, what they've done in the tournament so far, I covered the 50 over World Cup. I thought they played their best cricket in the last 5 years in that 50 over World Cup before they ran into India at the Eden Gardens and everything went downhill after that.
No, before they ran into Netherlands in Dharamshala.
नो वो भी, बट इंडिया के बाद तो एकदम डिफ्लेट हो गए ना. उसके बाद तो उनको समझ ही नहीं आया कि अब होगा क्या, हमारा टूर्नामेंट खत्म. सो अभी मुझे लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों ये बैटिंग ऑर्डर को मैं देख रहा हूँ और अफगानिस्तान की बॉलिंग को देख रहा हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है इनको आप पकड़ सकते हो इस बॉलिंग अटैक के साथ. नूर है, राशिद है, नाइब है,
Yeah,
फारूकी है,
ये
मतलब
स्पिन नहीं खेल पाएंगे.
स्पिन भी और आना
और वो
चाहिए.
भी हवा, अगर हवा है तो फिर वो
हवा है
ये
और
वैसे
जो
स्पिनर है जो पिच के साथ
करेक्ट
साथ
रिस्क
हवा का ड्रिफ्ट भी खेलेंगे और रिस्ट के साथ खेलेंगे, तो वो आपका
Yeah.
गेम ही घुमा
और
देंगे, वहां पलट देंगे. यहाँ तो फास्ट
फारूकी और
बॉलर को
नवीन उलग सही bowlers हैं. और quickly, before Jamie bhai weighs in on this,
Yeah.
we were talking about Bangladesh. Very quickly, I wanted to make that comment. We've been talking about Bangladesh cricket for a very long time, and I clearly remember a conversation I had with Mohammad Ashraful before India versus Bangladesh in Pune, the game where we lost Hardik Pandya to a freak injury. And I asked Ashraful that at the under-19 level, at the emerging trophy level, Bangladesh have become a beast like no other side. They're probably challenging sides and surprising sides better than they had in the last 10 years. So what's the problem? So the problem is those under-19, under-23 players are just left out there in the cold. Very few players, Rashid Hussain and Tanzim, probably a couple of names which come to my mind when it comes to players who have elevated and graduated from that level.
Spinner as well, no? Who's that
leg
leg
spinner.
spinner?
But
Yeah.
उसके अलावा ये सब खो जाते हैं. और वो क्यों खोते हैं? क्योंकि आप एक जायंट बिठा के बैठे हुए हो अपने ड्रेसिंग रूम के अंदर, who has no business being there. Shakib Al Hasan needs to retire right away. The statements he's making in the media, his conduct in the dressing room, his body language on the field, he's just not interested. वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे हम कॉर्पोरेट में खेलते हैं ना, 600 रुपए मैच फीस दी तो 4 ओवर में से 2 ओवर डालूंगा और पहले बैटिंग करूंगा और थर्ड मैन पे फील्डिंग करूंगा, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. This is not how teams are. He made a statement after the game against India that he was surprised with the management's decision at the toss. You don't do that, Shakib Al Hasan. You have been a captain in the past. You don't do that. You don't criticize your own team at the post-match press conference. So he has no business making statements like those, and that clearly kind of reflects that the dressing room which we are seeing probably in Afghanistan or probably in India, a well-knit unit which is needed to win an ICC trophy, that is far, far, far from the ideal world for Bangladesh cricket team. And it's never going to happen till the time we have Shakib Al Hasan in the dressing room. He's very temperamental, and ab ho gaya. I think he's just
picking from that only. Jamie, टेम्परामेंट की जहां तक बात होती है, फिर वो टेम्परामेंटल इश्यूज हर जगह होने चाहिए. आईपीएल में तो ऐसा कुछ खास सुना नहीं है हमने.
वहां तो नहीं ना, वो इस साल बिका भी नहीं, इसीलिए
बिका नहीं. लेकिन हुआ भी ऐसा कुछ कभी इतना कुछ नहीं हुआ ना. Yeah, please continue.
No, I think it's a bit of what Anand said. It's a bit of what Sahil said. But the point is, right, Bangladesh got international status in 1986. Shakib is a problem for the last 15 years. Pre-Shakib, right? You're looking at 20 plus years, 25 years pre-Shakib, the problem. I think we need to question the system, right? Afghanistan played their first international match in 2009. How is it that team with next to, they're all refugees. I mean, these guys grew up in camps. They don't have official documents. Does anyone on this panel think Rashid is 26? He's not, right? In Sabka, this is what Anand was saying, they have, because what's happened to them, right? They have the Pathan spirit. Bangladesh have had proximity. They've had Raman Lambas and Indian players playing there for 35 years. Why has their cricket not improved? Jagmohan Dalmia made a massive blunder by giving them test status in 2000. They did not deserve it. How can a team that's been playing cricket for over 40 years not make the semi-finals or quarterfinals of a single ICC event? How is a bunch of, I'm not being disrespectful, how is a bunch of ragtag globetrotters from the impoverished conditions of war-torn country, how is it possible that inside 15 years, they have now almost made the semi-finals of a one-day World Cup and they've knocked out things? Why? Forget Shakib, forget under-19. It's a systemic failure of Bangladesh cricket. The corruption there is only matched by the corruption in USA cricket. I just spent 5 days there. If I told you the kind of corruption happening in USA cricket, you could do a separate show and you probably wouldn't call me back again, right? Now, Bangladesh it's so deep, the corruption, there's so many things. It's rotten to the core. This is what I mentioned. Rather than calling, again, not being disrespectful, rather than calling Oman and PMG and Namibia and the Rock of Gibraltar, let's fix Bangladesh cricket. Let's fix Zimbabwe cricket. Let's boost Nepal, right? You need to first sort out, again, I'm saying it fully aware, your more traditional long-serving teams. अगर बांग्लादेश ने 86 में अपना पहला मैच किया और 40-42 साल बाद अब तक कुछ हासिल नहीं कर पाए, let's sort that out. Then let's go calling all these small teams. It's great to call it a global sport, but USA didn't beat Pakistan. Pakistan lost to USA and we saw.
Pakistan beat Pakistan.
USA going to the second round, it was a disaster. ICC didn't want that. Star didn't want it. I didn't want it. It's a great story for one column, 1 or 2 videos. But the point is, छोटे-मोटे team ये पेले जाते हैं बड़ी टीम से. बांग्लादेश को कोई पेलता नहीं है. But the point is, they're still not quite there. So hats off to Afghanistan. But I would love the ICC, all the stakeholders, to first sort out Bangladesh cricket. Zimbabwe, I grew up hearing about stories of Zimbabwe players. वो सारी team compete ही नहीं कर पा रही है. It's great for Oman, great for PNG. but let's get these teams, the more traditional teams, because long run these teams have more to offer, right? There's a Shaki. Back in the day, we had the Flowers and all. PNG,
Yeah.
Afghanistan, sorry, PNG, USA, Oman. They're never going to give you flowers. They're never going to give you heat streaks. Zimbabwe and Bangladesh will still give you some fine players. Ashraful, Sahil just mentioned
Ashraful,
that
yeah.
was a damn fine batsman. Why did he get banned? Because the system is so corrupt in Bangladesh. That's my assessment of it.
Yeah, Tawzbhai, quickly your response on Bangladesh cricket and the way they have been going for almost more than 2 decades.
Absolutely. I mean, see, I had the opportunity to be there in the 2014 T20 World Cup. I mean, crazy fan following they have there. I think they have been betrayed over the times, over the years. I mean, the kind of performances they put up, because you see the large number of crowds, huge crowds throng into the stadiums, even for smaller games, whenever Bangladesh is playing. So it's been, whatever Jamie Bhai and Anand Bhai and Sahil said, there have been some issues, maybe corruption, maybe they don't nurture the talent that they have. They have massive talents. I mean, they have massive talent. If you look at the current side also, they have some amazing Tanzil, Rishad Hussain. I've seen a leg spinner for the first time, maybe such a talented leg spinner in Rishad Hussain. Why have they not promoting them? They have the facilities, they have the basics right. By the way, they have their facilities behind that Mirpur Stadium. They have some indoor structure. They have passionate followers, but आप जब उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज दोगे तब मिलेगा आपको प्लेयर एक के बाद एक. जब आप यूनिटी, देखिए यूनिटी नहीं है ना. अगेन आई गो बैक टू शाकिब ही इज दैट गाय इंडिविजुअल. ही शुड लीड बाय एग्जांपल, बट वो एग्जांपल दे रहा है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही इज नॉट गिविंग लीडिंग बाय एग्जांपल. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द इश्यूज. यू नीड टू हैव लीडर्स. आई मीन, they should take not just Bangladesh, even Pakistan should take leaf out of how BCCI or Team India runs. यहाँ पर कितना भी दो बड़े प्लेयर्स हो जाए, विराट कोहली ग्रुप कैंप, बट व्हेन दे आर ऑन फील्ड इट्स ओनली टीम इंडिया. तो ये यहाँ पर इनका दिखता नहीं है. बांग्लादेश का आप देखोगे या पाकिस्तान का भी नहीं दिखता. दे हैव डिफरेंट कैंप्स एंड दे हैव दोस इंडिविजुअल. अगेन आई वुड गो बैक टू आनंद भाई, ओवर एस्टिमेशन ऑफ देयर ओन टैलेंट यार. आई मीन, कभी भी आप वो व्हेनेवर दे विन अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका एक ट्रेडमार्क सांप आपका लेके आ जाते हैं ना सडनली, एंड देन it's weird. I mean, they have to understand. Basically, they have to understand कि भाई आपको ग्रो करना है और कैसे एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है. अगेन यू हैव टू फॉलो वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम, और अपने टैलेंट को सीरियसली लेने का, डिलीवर द वे other teams have been delivering, other successful teams have been delivering, which I have not seen from Bangladesh over. It's been disappointing यार. I mean, बांग्लादेश हर वर्ल्ड कप में ऐसी स्टोरी रहती है. हर वर्ल्ड कप में बांग्लादेश की ऐसी स्टोरी रहती है, which is so unfortunate.
और ये नहीं कि इसमें एक और है कि दे ऑल्सो गेट सर पे चढ़ा के रख देते फैंस. वहाँ पर इंडिया में देर आर 10 times द साइज ऑफ फैंस, बट लुक एट our players know very well that they cannot do away with their discipline. Virat Kohli will not have lasted 17 years that he's lasted had he not had that kind of discipline that he has shown. Look at Jasprit Bumrah, look at Rishabh Pant, look at the effort that they have put. चाहे आपके पास जितनी भी मैं फैसिलिटी रख दूं ना, दुनिया का बेस्ट जिम भी मैं ला के रख दूंगा, और जब तक तुम खुद जाके वहां पर you will not sweat it out, you will not do it. Look at Rishabh Pant. What a story. This guy 2 years back did not even know if he'll walk properly the rest of his life. Today, boss, he's diving, he's taking catches like he was doing before. He's looking fitter than he was before his accident. And look at the role that he's coming out and playing. He's ready to play. See, that's the transformation that he's shown. और ये इंडिविजुअल कमिटमेंट से आता है यार. बांग्लादेश के कितने ऐसे प्लेयर हैं वो सिर्फ टिक के लंबा खेलना चाहते हैं, लंबा बस अपने टीम में रहना चाहते हैं, पर टीम के लिए वो एक परफॉर्मेंस, एक लेवल जो है वो डिलीवर करना है. वो कितनों के अंदर वो भूख है, वो आपको वो देखने की जरूरत. आपको क्या लगता है कि मुशफिकुर, महमूदुल्लाह, ये मुस्तफिजुर, लिटन दास, ये लोग कितने टैलेंटेड प्लेयर्स हैं. They're all very talented players, but somewhere you feel that something is missing, that cohesion is missing, saying and the need to become really world class. You have to be better than world class.